students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of class 8, that is friction is a necessary evil. Now, friction plays a very important role in our daily life, and friction is called a necessary evil. It means it has some advantages as well as some disadvantages. In some cases, friction is useful to us as we cannot do anything without friction. And at the same time, it is an evil in some cases because it results in the loss of energy and wear and tear of the surfaces. And we will first describe those cases where friction is useful to us in this topic. And after that, we will discuss those cases where friction is harmful to us. And finally, we will describe the various method of increasing or reducing the friction. So first of all, we will discuss the advantages of friction as a necessity. So friction plays a very important role in our daily life. First of all, it helps us to walk. We walk easily on the ground due to friction. How? When we take a step forward during walking, we usually lift one foot off the ground and push the ground backward and with the other foot. Hence, a force of friction acts in the opposite direction. We know that the force of friction is always act in the opposite direction. That is, when we are moving in a forward direction, the force of friction is applied in the backward direction, and thus friction enables us to walk on the ground and ground without slipping or falling. Another advantage of friction is movement of vehicles. The friction between the tire of vehicles like car, truck, cycle, scooter, etc. and the ground help to move on the ground without slipping. The friction is increased in the tires. You can see that there are some grooves on the tire. Due to the greater friction, the tires get a better grip on the road, which prevents skidding of vehicles. Another advantage is spiked shoe for better grip. We have generally seen that the athletes wear spiked shoes. They have a special shoes which have a pointed soles. These spikes are provided in the shoes of players or athletes to increase the friction so that they have better grip on the ground and it prevents them from slipping. Writing work. Now friction enables us to write with our pen. Your teacher writes by rubbing the chalk piece on the blackboard due to friction. If friction will not be there, we can't able to write. Application of brakes. When we apply a brakes, it slows down or stop the moving bicycle or any vehicle due to friction. If we press the brake lever to apply brake to the running bicycle, then what will happen? The brake pads rub the rim of bicycle wheel and the friction between brake pads and the rim slow down the motion of the bicycle. Another advantage is lightening of a matchstick. You have seen that when we have to light up a matchstick, we strike the matchstick against the rough surface and it catches fire. The force of friction raises the temperature. We know that friction always produces the heat. For example, when we rub our hands, our palms get heat up due to the force of friction. The force of friction raises the temperature of matchstick head to such an extent that the chemical in it catch fire to produce the flame. Another advantage is to fix the nail into the wall. When we hammer a nail into the wall, the nail is held tightly with the wall and the force of friction between the nail and wall hold the nail tightly into the wall. Another advantage is we can hold an earthen pot in our hand. We can hold anything in our hand due to friction. And friction enables a person to climb a tree or a pole. Due to friction, a belt drives machines in the factory. Now, how can we increase the friction? Sometimes there are some conditions where we have to reduce the friction, and sometimes we have to increase the friction. For example, how to increase the friction? Friction can be increased by making the surface rough. We know that more rough will be the surface, more will be the friction because of the interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact. And friction can be increased by increasing the roughness of the surface in contact. For example, you have generally seen that the soles of shoes are made up of grooves to increase the friction. And kabaddi player usually rub their hands with dry soil. Why they rub their hand with dry soil? To increase the friction so that they get a better grip on their opponent. And gymnast also apply some coarse substance or powder. Generally, it is a boric powder on their hands to increase friction for better grip. The handles of cricket bats or a batman, or even this is a gripper that is provided in the pen to hold it properly to increase the friction. Another method or way of increasing friction is by making grooves. Tires are generally treaded. You have generally seen that there are treaded tires on the vehicles, and grooves are made on them, on their undersurface of the shoes and tires to make their surface rough. So more rough will be the surface, more will be the interlocking, and more will be the friction. Another method is by drying the surface. Drying the surface is another way of reducing friction. And sand and gravel is thrown on the slippery ground during the rainy season or on snowy surface to increase the friction. Similarly, during the tug of war, to pull the rope properly, the players also rub their hand, rub soil on their hand for better grip. The use of brake pad is also another method of increasing friction in machineries. And the brake pads in brake system of a bicycle do not touch the wheel until you press the brake. So there are some assignment questions based on the topic advantages of friction and ways to increase the friction. First question is, give a reason for calling friction as a necessary evil. Why do a matchstick catch fire when it rubbed on rough surface? While playing tug of war, Preeti felt the rope was slipping through her hands. Suggest a way to prevent this. Now give 2 examples to increase friction. Watch the video and frame the answer and write on your notebooks. Thank you.